So guys, look here. My son buy me a watch for my birthday, right? August 10th. And it was a Michael Kors watch. You know, say, I actually don't like the watch because it kind of shaped like a man watch. And I went over to Michael Kors to get it exchanged for a woman watch. The ones them that they had, I already have watch like them already, so I didn't bother to get any. So I decided to go look shoes, and I get 3 pair of shoes plus money on gift card. See, I buy the same exact thing. So that's what means, you know, once I try on something and it can fit me in my shop, I buy all color into them. Look at this. So, you know, I buy all 3 colors and have money leave back on my gift card. So just imagine how expensive that watch was. I get all of them, and you see my foot big, so it's hard for me to get shoes. So when I find the shoes that really fits me, that is it. Yep, that is it. And look over here. So, well, this is the tree, but look over here. So these are all Michael Kors boxes, you know. Plus those are some of my shoes. Guys, I have nowhere to put my shoes, so I have to hide some of them around here, so make them stay in the box. Come Michael Kors box. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. I can't even count some of them in my closet. Me is a Michael Kors fan. Michael Kors fan. I love Michael Kors shoes. Them once them can't fit me because my foot big. Anyways, me just love nice shoes. Me not fussy about clothes and them something there, but you see, once my shoes stay good, I mean that. One heap of them I give away now. See them, some of them I not even wear them 1 time or 2 times and see them this. Something, look how much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And some they down here, so 14, 15, 16. Yeah. You can't hold in my closet, so I have to cringe them up here in a corner. And to say that I remember the days when I never even have 1 pair of shoes. Do you know how much shoes I give away every single year? Oh my God, I could have opened a shoes factory or a shoes store. And a lot of them, I don't wear them when I give them away. Yeah, that is it. Blessings and more blessings. To God be the glory.